Hello folks, today is Saturday, June 20th, 2020. Some progress after the engine caught that gas fire about 3 weekends ago. I've been rewiring and, putting everything back together. Put this new it's a used Edelbrock. Trying to figure out if anybody can help how the heck to hook this up. The electronic choke missing. I'm gonna buy one, but this rod here comes out the intake here. Not sure where that goes. Where that goes, I have no idea. I have to figure that out. Bought new cap and rotor, spark plug wires. Here's the cap configuration there. And the coil wire out the way here. Oh, I still got to tweak this Edelbrock. Got it on its new raised base. Of course, you're going to kill me for the linkage, but I had to hook it up around that big eye because she wasn't hooking up anywhere else. New throttle return spring. Oh, this 455 starts right up. Let's see if I can't, oh yeah. In my fuel filter there, full of fuel. Plumbed it nice. Goes all the way around, it's plumbed into there, right into the Edelbrock. Right into that Edelbrock. So, we're gonna start up. Should start right up. It's hard to record and start by yourself, but cranks right over. Of course, during the fire, the top of the fire, the fan swell melted, so I had to cut it out. Melted the belt to the AC unit, but the clutch is still good. So yeah, so engine's been repainted a bit. Got it looking good. Of course, she still looks good. Let's go around back here. And of course, that still looks good. That's what she sounds like from the back so far. But she's running rich, so I'm trying to adjust the carburetor so that she don't run so rich. So, just quick video. I'll probably post this one. If you got any ideas, let me know. And this here, this line, PVC, I believe it is. Not sure where it goes, so I plugged it off for now. What is that? Yeah, plugged it off for now. Doesn't go in here, because this was in here. And definitely doesn't go there, because then it'll be a double vacuum. Can't have that. So, any pointers, whatever, appreciate it. Alright, this is Will Hicks, signing off. I'm out. Peace.